Grunberg Slopes 3C. So shoot out here in Tour 8 Mountain Tour. That's a lot of tailwind for a little par 3 like this. 9.1. So no choice but to go for it from the Middle Island fairway there. So I don't know, roughly around 6 bars or so, and no side spin. Alright, so I'm going to get lined up on it a little better, pull back some to about where the second bounce is, looking at the fringe right there. Alright, so I'm going to pull back 10 rings here. And just a tad of power, not much, just inside the circle. Slight curl to the left. Oh, that was a beauty. Santa Claus, little ball guy.